So tonight I'm gonna marinate a pork belly. So I have here a pork belly, and then I cut it here in the front, and then there's I don't know, it's, yeah, I have to score it. Yeah, I have to score it. Do I don't know, very, I think it's scored already. It does, yeah, it is. So leave it, it's already done. So what I need for this are, to marinate, I usually use garlic, lemongrass, lemon. I have one, and then I have leftover half lemon. We need some salt, any kind of salt, pink salt, Himalayan salt, table salt, iodized salt, or whatsoever. We need some pepper, and of course we need some soy sauce. I'm running out of soy sauce, I have to get. So that's it, and then we are going to marinate it overnight, and then tomorrow for Sunday roast we will have it. So I'll get you posted tomorrow. So that will do. So 5 cloves of garlic will do. And then I will put 2 of them lemongrass. Okay. So we're just press it like that, and then I usually do that. Just be careful, the knife is sharp. So that's it. So we are gonna put it in the bowl. And then we squeeze the lemon. Oh, I haven't cut the lemon. Just cut it like that. Okay. Then a drizzle of soy sauce just to add color. Then yes, and of course salt. So yeah. Right, so just rub into your pork belly. And tomorrow this will be alright. So that's it. So for now, it's like that. So it's cover and secure. I don't know where is the lid of this, so this isn't the lid. You see? It's not the lid. You see? Yeah. Oh no. Right. Okay. Okay. It's not the lid.